Okay, we have another problem. Map the sequence of the transformation from ABCD to JKLM. So let's see what happened. You have to know which points correspond to which points. So the way it's written, A corresponds to J, and then B corresponds to K, C to L, D to M. Okay, so here's what I like to do. We're starting with this quadrilateral here because that's ABCD, and we're moving there. The size, you notice the size difference? So it got bigger, meaning scale factor must be greater than 1. Okay, so I like to pick the obvious points, so I'm going to use C point to D point. Let's see what happened. C corresponds to L, the way it's written. So C moved to L here. That's L right there. Okay. Let's see how many spaces it moved. It went down 2. So let me see. It moved down 2. So we go y minus 2. But then it moved 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So x plus 3. So that's what happened. So you could say it had translation that's just moving right, left, up, down. So translation moved right 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. 3 units to the right. And then 2 units down. Okay? So C ends up where L is right there. Okay, so we could say 3 units to the right, and then 2 units down. And then what happened? Well, when you look at C to D, the distance wise, C going straight down 2 and then right 1. That ends up where D is right now. But you see how D corresponds to M? Now, notice how much we have to go down from L to M. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to go 4 units down. So distance straight down is 4, whereas C to D straight down distance was 2. And then we have to move right 2 units. Whereas from here it was just 1. So instead of 2, we have to go down 4. So that's scale factor of 2. It matches because you have to go right 2 instead of 1. So that's scale factor of 2. So you have to dilate it. After moving 3 units to the right, 2 units down, dilate by scale factor of 2. So that's how you describe this transformation. Let's do another one. Okay, this time we have a transformation that's occurred from ABC to DEC. Let's see what happened with the size from ABC, this right triangle, to bigger triangle. So scale factor must be greater than 1. Okay, let's see what the scale factor is. From A to B, obviously AB corresponds to DE. It was 1 unit. That's 1 unit right there. But then DE, it's now 2 units. So scale factor must be 2. Okay. But then what else did happen? Well, it looks like it got rotated or rotated about the y-axis. So reflexive about y-axis. So you got to flip it this way. So this side ends up there. Okay. And then let's see, is there any right, left, up, down movement like translation? I don't think so. Let's see if scale factor 2 makes sense. From C to B, it was 1, 2 units. So C to E, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. It makes sense. It got doubled. So what you want to say is, well, you could do it. The order doesn't matter. You could dilate this first and then flip it over y-axis, or flip it first and then dilate it. That doesn't really matter. So I would say reflect the figure about reflect it about y-axis, and then do dilation and dilate it by scale factor of 2. Or you could say dilate this by scale factor of 2 first, and then reflect it about over y-axis.